For the piece that we have right now titled Useful, we added 3 reverbs. And those reverbs are the stock reverb. There's many different reverbs that can be used. Generally speaking, we just want to use reverb to give a simulation of a room or an environment that our drum's being played in. And we'll play this drum without the reverb first, and then we'll play it with the reverb. Right now we're at a negative 20 decibel gain reduction, so we cannot hear the music as clearly as we will. So in a moment, prepare yourself. If you need to turn your headphones down, this will be the time to do this. We're going to now increase the gain back 20 decibels, and we're going to hear what that snare sounds like with all the music without the reverb. So listen to see if you can notice. Now let's take a moment, let's keep that sound in mind, but now we're gonna play it with the 3 reverbs. This will be the time to where you can turn your headphones down, because we're gonna increase the gain again by 20 decibels. Check to see if you can notice the difference with the 3 reverbs from what we've just previously played. In this instance, we find that the reverb was very useful because we liked the original snares. We liked how they sounded, but we thought that they could have a little bit more texture, a little bit more color that would add and fit them into the mix. And so that's what we did. When we just added 3 reverbs, we stacked one on top of the other. We adjusted each dial accordingly, where we focused on the decay, the high filter damp, the high filter EQ, and then the dry and wet. And we just made those simple adjustments just on the reverbs. It was pretty nice. We didn't even expand it. We didn't even get that far into it. We could actually develop them even further and shape them even further. However, for the purposes of this video, we just want to take a snare that could be improved by adding reverb. If you've used reverb to improve your snares, let me know in the comment section. Thanks a ton for stopping by. Much love, respect, and peace in.